Hi guys, I made some cookies for Christmas. I made matcha cookies, which you can check out the recipe from last year. And I also made these cookies. They're not strawberry flavored, they're rose flavored.
I made these cookies using a butter cookie dough, and I separated them into 3 different flavors: matcha, rose, and chocolate chip.
Tastes so good. Once the cookies cool down, you can put them in a nice Ziploc like this and give it to your friends and family. I'm gonna mix some matcha cookies, sugar cookies, and rose cookies. Look at how pretty it is. You have many different colors.